Hi everyone, I want to welcome you to your teaching course this quarter. My name is Dr. Abby Doherty and I'm really excited to get a chance to work with you this quarter, and I just wanted to provide a little introduction video. Uh, so um, Again, my name is Dr. Abby Doherty. I am a Walden grad. I went through their master's program and their CES PhD program, so I'm a proud alumni. And I now teach in a land-based program at Drexel University, where I am the director of counseling. And I am super excited to be here with y'all. For the Pennsylvania Counseling Association, I did a professional identity presentation, and we were sort of talking about the intersection of who we are as people and how that influences how we see our professional identities. And just wanted to show you some of who I am as a person, represented in cats, because I'm a crazy cat lady. I love cats. I'm an INFJ. I'm a sister. You may hear my daughter in the background in any videos that I make you. I have an 18-month-old. These are just some of who I am. I'm an artist, professional counselor, INFJ. Let me know what your Myers-Briggs type is in one of your posts. I would love to learn. And as we are going through each step of what it means to teach, and there's really nothing I love more, I can genuinely say I absolutely love being a counselor educator. I love teaching adults. And here are some aspects of the work that I think are important to keep in mind throughout every process of facilitating someone's education. And I just offer it as one approach, and I offer it as a platform and foundation for you to think about, who are you as a teacher? What kind of classrooms do you want to facilitate? And for me, I know that there needs to be humor and humility, making sure that learning is about the relationship, that I don't become too rigid where I lose my humanity or sense of humanity, and seeing that within the student. I always say a self-compassion meditation, ritual saying before I go into class. It takes a lot of self-awareness, because you will be triggered on every level, I'm sure, as you know, as counselors, but it's something to be aware of, where your points, your pain points, and of course, how to establish respect. What does cultural humility look like? How can we make sure there's as much safety in the classroom as possible? As a formally trained artist, I can tell you that structure actually leads to further creativity, and mindfulness is an incredibly important part of the way that I teach. I'm going to send you an article if you're feel free to read it if you want or not, but I just offer it. And having a really rigorous experience, I once had a internship supervisor who said to me, Abby, I want people to come out of group feeling like they just, went to a workout session or something like that. So I really want people to feel like they've gotten their money's worth, that they, have fully been able to place themselves in the learning, and are excited to learn, since we are lifelong learners. Certainly radical acceptance of what I can change and what I cannot, and lots of self-care, compassion, and relationship. So this is the model that I think about in terms of curriculum development, working with students, working with my colleagues, and how can I be a part of advocating for a more just and inclusive profession. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about who I am as a teacher, and I welcome questions. I hope that you'll share and bring your full authentic self into the classroom. I use relational cultural theory in my clinical practice. Before I became a counselor educator, I did drug and alcohol counseling. I did college counseling. College counseling is really my passion. But I'm really excited to get started with you this week. And if you have any questions at all, please shoot me an email. Here we are in COVID. I'm home. I'm looking at my email all the time. I will definitely get back to you. So here's to a fabulous quarter. Be kind to yourself and enjoy the process.